Hey, it's Elise at the Crunchy Ginger, and I'm excited today because I have just received my MightyFix package. So for those of you guys who've never heard of it, MightyFix is the subscription program offered by MightyNest.com. And basically what it is you pay like, there's a couple different options, but mine is $11 a month, and they send you something. It's a surprise. But it's always some sort of product, some sort of green, sustainable product that has a goal very similar to my own at the Crunchy Ginger, which is to offer one small change that you can make in your home in order to help you live more sustainably. So it's always something for the kitchen or for your home, and you never know what it's going to be, which is kind of why I like it. When I first signed up for MightyFix, probably about 9 or 10 months ago now, I wasn't actually sure if I was going to like it because I thought, like, I already kind of have a lot of green stuff in my home and I don't know if I really need to spend money to get something extra. But what I found is it's actually usually something that I don't already have that kind of helps me think about things in a new way. And also I really just like getting the package. It's like I don't do a lot of shopping for myself. We don't have a lot of extra money in the budget for me to buy like really frivolous stuff. So this way I can kind of like roll a present for myself into my home budget, which is sort of fun. And I feel like if I ever start getting stuff that's just redundant and I don't need them in my home, I can either give them as gifts or I can just cancel my subscription, because you can cancel it anytime. But so this is my package for this month. I have no idea what's in it. It is October 2019. So if you've got a MightyFix and you haven't opened it yet, maybe you want to wait in case this is a spoiler. They do a really great job of using all sustainable and recycled packaging, which I really like about them. Oh, and the shipping is free. E-cloth, window cleaning cloths. So these are E-cloth window cleaning, perfect cleaning with just water for streak-free and sparkling windows. All right, 300 wash guarantees, removes over 99% of bacteria, chemical-free, healthy living. So this is what I got in my fix. Let's see what it is. How to use: wet the window cloth, waffle weave, and wring out. Wipe the window frame and glass. Finish glass with the dry glass and polishing cloth. Okay, so it looks like it's like a sort of two cloth systems. This is helpful since I have small children and I have a lot of fingerprints on my door, and to be quite honest with you, I don't usually wipe them off. There's just always fingerprints on my door. So I think you first wet this one and wipe off with this one, and then you follow up with this deal. And it looks like you kind of just throw them in your washer. Excellent on windows, frames, glass doors, conservatories. Oh yeah, great. I'll be sure to use this on my conservatory. Wood and vinyl. And the thing that's cool about the MightyFix is it always comes with like a little card to tell you how to best use this. Your MightyFix is here, it says. And then it tells you why this thing is a good product, why it's sustainable. This says, this month's fix is reusable window cleaning e-cloths. Paper towels are incredibly wasteful. We buy them and then dispose of them every day. With 3.1 million fibers per inch, e-cloths have enormous cleaning power and work to remove dirt, oil, grime, and 99% of bacteria. We're including one window cleaning cloth and one glass polishing cloth. Using this system provides lint-free and streak-free clean glass with the addition of just water and without any harmful chemicals, plus zero waste. Cool. So great. So I will, maybe I'll clean my windows and I'll let you know how well that they work. But that's it. MightyFix is really great, and I would suggest that if you like getting mail once a month and you've got $11, this is really kind of a fun way to help you on your journey of being a little greener and a little more frugal. Thanks for watching.